Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. During this tutorial you will learn how to create these earrings. As you can see here, first idea was to create them with the stud. But then I recognized that when you put the stud on your ear, it's not nice. But if you want still to have them like this only, you can use here a clip-on element and then it will be nice. But during this tutorial I will show you how to create earrings with this kind of glass. Take a piece of felt and secure your thread somewhere in the middle. Take 10 mm pearl and sew it in. Most important here to leave around some space, because we will, after we sew in this big bead, we will start to sew in smaller beads around. So make sure that everywhere you have a space for it. Enter twice the big bead to make it more secure. And now go to the side. We take one smaller bead and sew it in that all holes of this smaller bead are on the sides. Then you enter again to the same bead and here we will do a bit differently. Take 3 beads size 6 straight away and just go like this around the big bead and enter next to it. Then go in the beginning here and here is the thread and we go around it then we go next to the second bead and we do the same. Then again to the next bead. Enter next to the last bead and go into it. Take another 3 beads, enter next to the big bead, go in the beginning and repeat. Go into the last bead, take 1 bead and enter the first bead. Go down here and again go here, sew it in here. Then go out from here and enter to the all beads. Just secure the thread and we will go to the next step. Now we continue with the seed beads. We will do a small arch next to each bead of 6 mm. We take around meter of thread create a knot. First of all, we need to secure the thread. When thread is secured, we start in between here, in between two beads of 6 millimeters. Take 7 seed beads. Here I have Czech seed beads, size 10. One of these seed beads should go there inside. And then you enter in between of two beads of 6 millimeters. Then you enter next to the other bead, as well in between of them. Again, 7 seed beads size 10. One of the seed beads should go there in between of beads, and you enter here. Continue till the last bead. One of the seed beads goes there inside. And I like to secure the thread after every step I do, because for example, if next step I won't like it, I just can cut the thread and be safe that all previous steps will be secured. Here. In this step you can even leave this earring like it is. You see, it will be just, that's it. But I like to add some more details, and now we will do this small things with the metal wire. It's a soft metal wire, and we need to cut it on around 1.5–2 centimeters. For this metal wire we need a thread which is not doubled. We cut one of them, and we have single thread. Go in between the beads, in between the seed beads, like in the middle of 6 millimeter bead. Take 1 tube, enter, and enter somewhere here. Then go out next to this metal wire and take second one. Be careful with it because it's very soft and you can damage it very easily. You see what is happening sometimes when you pull too hard, it's damaged already, so we just throw it away and we take another one. So we continue till the end of this bead here, and then we will start the second row. We start second row. Go out from here. I will cut now a bit more. Something around 5 pieces I want, I think. And we continue. These earrings are very easy to create, and you can create so many variations of the colors and materials. Instead of, for example, these pearls, you can use bicon crystals. It will be nice as well. We have finished our element, and now we will create out of this element earring. First of all, we need to secure the thread and cut it. Take a scissors and we cut around this base, but check from the back side that there is no threads. You need to leave around 1 millimeter here, because then we'll need to sew this base to our eco leather or leather, what you have. Now we need to hide these threads with the cardboard. Put it on the cardboard. I take pen or pencil, what you have. I just circle it. You need to cut it smaller than it's on the cardboard. To measure it. It is still too big. We need to cut a bit more. Okay. Now take a glue. Put the glue here. Let's take our eco leather and we put as well glue on our element. Glue it on. Leave it for at least 10-15 seconds. When it's ready, we just need to cut it out. On this stage, our element is almost finished, and we just need to create our size to make it more nice and secure. For this we will need just thread, needle and seed bead size 10. Let's start.